Build a professional financial tracker in Python. Have you ever wanted a simple app to keep track of your income and expenses without paying for expensive software? We're using CustomTkinter to create a modern-looking interface, SQLite to save all of our financial data, and Matplotlib to turn numbers into easy-to-read charts. The app lets you add income and expenses, stores everything in a local database, and automatically calculates your profit. Instead of looking through spreadsheets, you'll be able to see your business performance at a glance. You have your own desktop financial tracker that you can customize and continue improving. And next, we'll make it even smarter by adding artificial intelligence so you can ask questions about your finances in plain English. We can build a financial tracker that records income and expenses. Now it's time to make it intelligent. Instead of searching through reports and charts, you'll simply ask questions like, how much did I earn this month? Or, what are my biggest expenses? Behind the scenes, our application reads the financial data from the SQLite database, prepares a summary, and sends only the relevant information to the AI. The AI then analyzes that information and responds in clear, simple language. We'll also build a chat window directly into the application, making it feel like you're talking to your own personal financial advisor. Your Python application won't just store numbers, it will help you understand them and make better financial decisions. Like and subscribe for more problem-solving videos like this.